Hello, I will talk about special relativity and the twin paradox. Special relativity is an explanation of how speed affects mass, time, and space. As an object approaches the speed of light, the mass of the object becomes infinite, and so does the energy required to move it. This means that it is impossible for any matter to go faster than the speed of light, or even reach the speed of light. Now I will talk about the twin paradox. The first twin flies into space at a very high speed. For example, 240,000 kilometers per second, and returns to Earth while the second remains on Earth. According to the theory of special relativity, movement at high speed slows down the flow of time. So the brother who went to a journey in space will return to Earth 10 years younger than his brother, who stayed on Earth. Now I will describe the paradox broadly. One twin remains on Earth while his brother moves away in a spaceship at a very high speed, close to the speed of light. At some point, the brother turns around and returns to Earth. According to the theory of relativity, the journey in the spaceship will take less time than on Earth, which will lead to the brother in the spaceship returning younger than the brother left on Earth. For example, suppose the journey is to the star Epsilon in Eridanos, which is about 10 light years away from the solar system. So the brother travels at of the 80% of the speed of light. According to the twin left on Earth, the round trip time as measured on Earth is T naught equals to 2 times L naught divided by V. L naught is the distance from Earth to the star Epsilon, that is 10 light years, and V is the speed of that the twin is moving, that is 80% of the speed of light, that is 240,000 kilometers per second. So it is 2 times 10 divided by 0.10 equals to 25 years. So according from the point of view of the brother that is on Earth, his twin brother traveled on Earth, the time that passed until his brother returned back to Earth is 25 years. According to the twin in the spacecraft, he is at rest while the Earth on which his twin brother is and the star Epsilon in Eridanos are moving across it at speed of 80% of the speed of light. As a result, the distance between them shrinks according to the Lorentz transformation, so the distance it must travel is L spacecraft equals to L naught times root of 1 minus v squared divided by c squared equals to 10, that is the distance from Earth to the star Epsilon, times root 1 minus 0.8 squared root equals to 6 light years. So in the point of view of the twin that travels in very high speed in the spacecraft, the distance between him to the star Epsilon shrink to 6 light years because the star is moving towards him in a very high speed, and that is the reason that the distance shrinked in 40%, from 10 light years to 6 light years. So the total time that will take to the brother that is traveling in very high speed to complete his journey is Ts equals 2 times Ls, that is 6 light years, divided by V, that is 0.8, and is 2 times 6 divided by 0.8, that is also 15 years. So that is why the twin brother that travels to the star Epsilon returns 10 years younger than his brother that is on Earth. Thank you very much.